Shut it, you. You still couldn't get a bird if you tried. Anyways, once you get hanged for me, she's always on about me. Or he's no right, but... And she's nagging. I say she's got hanged for me. No the other way around. Wash the lugs out. What if you get your shirt tucked in for anyway? Get a job interview or something, you wee Jessie? You only ken that word because it's what your ma calls you. Callum, your bird's got more hair on her legs than you do. Maybe you're gay. She's no my bird.
Leave it. On.
Who's his?
Yours, please.
Alright.
Yeah. I think you're scared them off. Watch out.
Oh! I could hear you gabbing for halfway down the street. What are you blethering about?
We're going to a party.
Oh, a party?
I tell you, Amy's.
Oh, aye, so you did. I didn't ken you were pally with Debbie's lassie.
We're no.
All right.
All right.
All right, son. Do you have a good day?
Fine, aye. How's it going?
Aye, fine.
All right.
Right, on you get.
My bird. And she's nagging. Your bird's got more hair on her legs than you do.
Come on, hurry up. What are you doing in there?
Use peace.
You've got blood on your leg.
Aye, I can.
Are you all right?
Aye, just gawk it.
I was thinking this tap.
That's mine.
Aye. I can. Do you mind?
Aye. Borrow whatever you like. Can't wait to see the breeks you're going to pair it with.
What are you wearing?
I dinna ken. Why didn't you want to go to your house?
Yours is bigger.
What difference does that make?
There's just not really enough space at home.
There's space here, pal.
Shut it, you. So you not got a home of his own?
Well, they're going to a dance together.
We dance. They're going to a gaff.
Well, same thing.
There's no dancing at a gaff, Gran.
Well, that is an awful shame. And I had a good day.
I just didn't like him being here all the time. He's too loud.
Do you know what they're going to say? They're going to say Finlay is looking fan-dabby-dozy the day.
Come on, let me see.
No, wait a minute.
I want to have a look.
Hold your waist, I'm not finished. Right, give us a look. Yeah, I can't lie to you, it's no very good. Just... You make a beautiful old wifey.
Oh, I'm definitely a Lorraine. Hold on.
A Lorraine, where are you getting that by? That is my grant's.
I don't care.
Oh, that is so Lorraine. Give us a barrel. Are you married?
What is all the louting about for?
Nothing.
Well, go and keep this door open.
Why?
Just do as you're told.
Go and keep this door open. Did we just get dealt off?
I think so.
Alright, give me some wipes, come on.
Well, that laddie's welcome in my house. Just glad she's got a laddie in her life, that's all.
He's not a boyfriend.
I know that, they're just bairns.
Aye. And he's gay.
No, he's just a wee bit of a Jessie.
Aye, you can't say that.
No? Well, I'm not talking about the laddie's sexuality. You know, in my day, if you went the messages for your mother, you were a Jessie. Just means a nice boy, really. That's what I mean.
That's not what you mean, Moira. He's soft. But I couldn't get away with acting like that, could I?
Oh, do you want to?
No, that's not my point.
Well, what is your point?
Look, it doesn't matter. I didn't care.
You're going to poke me in the eye.
Didn't be fear. I care what I'm doing.
Get away. I didn't want your slavers on me.
Fine. Then you're done.
You did beautifully.
But it's no you.
No.
Or something, you wee Jessie. You wee Jessie. Your bird's got more hair in her legs than you do. Maybe you're gay. Drop it up or something, you wee Jessie. Maybe you're gay.
Mind and take a brolly. Don't want to ruin your nice makeup. Have a good night.
Cheers.